Okay, so we've got our prompt. We're going to let ChatGPT create the prompt for Lovable. Create a prompt for Lovable to build a dynamic website for asterisk.com from the spreadsheet provided right here, and create a page per row and create category level pages as well. I think that's all we need. Let's see what ChatGPT gives us. It's going to look at the taxonomy. If we try to make a website on our own, it's taking basically expert level expertise to create this prompt for us. Let's pop over to Lovable and drop that in. We don't need to put that in. And I think we need to drop in the this one too. Okay, so that knows what it's doing. Ask questions if needed to make the site perform optimally for SEO and AI platforms. Okay, in Level we're in plan mode, so this will give us a chance to look at everything before we start building. So that's helpful, especially for large features. The built-in AI and Lovable can help create these things. Sure. I don't think we need segment comparison. Looks pretty good. Okay, so let's look at what it did. This is the Lovable AI taking the ChatGPT prompt and making a new prompt, basically. So it's going to tell us what it's going to do. Segment detail pages, one per segment, all segments, search and filtering. Looks pretty good. I approve, and Shazam. We're up and running, I think, here. Okay, so now the project's going to be created. It's going to start building us a website. Okay, so it looks like it finished, at least the first piece here. We could scroll down, and let's look at all segments. Okay, so it cut things up into very small categories, but we've got these.